Hey guys, it's Scott. Right now I am in the construction zone on the other side of the float spa. So we have one float room going here, one right behind me, one down there, and we have a lot of other great stuff going on here. I just wanted to reach out to everybody and let you all know we're going to finally, I know you've been waiting and you've been waiting patiently. We're going to be finishing the renovation. So we are going to shut our doors starting around February 8th. Now, I know a lot of you are like, well, I just signed up for that unlimited promotion you were having in January. So I'm going to make sure we make good on that. If you signed up mid-January or the end of January, what we're going to do is if you'd like to stay on board with us, we can carry those unlimited floats over to the brick location. Or if you wanted to freeze your account until we're finished with the renovations, I would allow you to have unlimited floats when you come back for however many days you missed out on. So no one's going to get gypped here. I know everyone's going to love the new spa. I can't wait till it's finished. I know once it's finished and you see the final result, you're going to love it. So we're going to give a couple options. If you'd like to freeze, we can freeze your account. If you'd like to stay on board with us while we're shut down for renovations, I will double the amount of floats that we put on your account every time you're charged. So if you're a Plus member, instead of getting 2 floats, we'll give you 4 floats total. And you can also use the brick spa. So sounds like a great deal to me, but I want to make everybody happy. Let me know what would make you guys happy, and I will work with everybody because I know it's been a huge inconvenience for the past year, and now we're finally shutting down for the renovations completely. So reach out to me. February 8th will be the last day we're open, and for probably about a month, hoping not to. But you can use all your floats over in the brick spa. Even if you're frozen here in Ocean, we can still allow you to use your floats over in the ocean, in the brick spa. All right. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.